Welcome to this gentle space where creativity, love, and handmade beauty come together. I am truly happy to have you here today. Take a quiet moment, relax your mind, and let us talk about something soft, meaningful, and close to the heart. Today's video is all about crochet baby girl frocks, the latest new design ideas, lovingly created by hand and inspired by the tenderness of early childhood. Baby clothing holds a special place in our lives. It is chosen not only for appearance, but for comfort, safety, and emotion. A baby girl's frock is often connected to memories that last forever. First smiles, first photos, first family gatherings, and first celebrations are all moments where these tiny dresses become part of a beautiful story. Crochet baby girl frocks carry even deeper meaning because they are made slowly, carefully, and intentionally. Before we explore designs and ideas, let us begin with a gentle story. There was a newborn baby girl wrapped in a small crochet frock made by loving hands. The stitches were counted patiently, the yarn chosen carefully, and every detail finished with care. As the baby slept peacefully, the frock rested softly against her skin, offering warmth without heaviness and beauty without discomfort. That little dress became part of her earliest memories, saved carefully long after she outgrew it. This is the quiet power of crochet baby girl frocks. They are not simply clothes, they are expressions of love, time, and devotion. In a world that moves quickly, crochet invites us to slow down and appreciate what is made by hand. The latest crochet baby girl frock designs focus on gentleness above all else. Babies need freedom of movement, breathable materials, and soft textures that protect delicate skin. Crochet meets these needs when created thoughtfully and intentionally. Every stitch matters, every yarn choice matters, and every design decision is guided by care. Yarn selection is the foundation of every crochet baby frock. The best designs begin with the softest and safest materials. Cotton yarn is the most popular choice because it is breathable, lightweight, and gentle on sensitive skin. Organic cotton is especially favored for newborn and infant wear because it reduces irritation and allows natural airflow. Bamboo yarn has also become very popular in modern crochet baby designs. It has a smooth, silky texture that feels soothing against the skin. Bamboo blends are lightweight, naturally breathable, and slightly stretchy, making them ideal for baby clothing. Cotton and bamboo blends combine durability with softness, creating frocks that last longer while remaining comfortable. Harsh fibers are avoided completely in baby crochet fashion. The priority is always comfort. Yarn must feel like a soft embrace, never rough or heavy. This careful selection ensures that crochet baby girl frocks are suitable for long wear and peaceful rest. Design silhouettes for baby crochet frocks are intentionally simple. The latest trends favor loose, flowing shapes that allow babies to move freely. Tight fits are replaced with relaxed forms that accommodate stretching, crawling, and sleeping. A-line silhouettes are especially popular because they sit gently at the shoulders and widen naturally toward the hem. Empire waist designs are also widely used. These frocks sit comfortably at the chest and fall softly over the body, avoiding pressure on the tummy. This shape is not only comfortable but also timeless, making it perfect for everyday wear and special occasions alike. Color choices play an important role in crochet baby girl frocks. Modern designs move beyond traditional bright pinks and explore a softer, more calming palette. gentle shades like cream, milk white, pale peach, soft lavender, baby blue, mint green, and warm beige are widely used. These colors create a soothing visual experience and complement a baby's gentle presence. Hand-dyed yarns in subtle tones are gaining popularity because they add individuality to each frock. Slight variations in color make every handmade piece unique. These differences are celebrated as signs of craftsmanship and care rather than imperfections. Stitch patterns in crochet baby frocks are chosen for comfort and flexibility. Tight, dense stitches are avoided. Instead, designers favor light, airy stitches that allow breathability. Simple double crochet, half double crochet, and smooth textured patterns create a soft surface that feels gentle against the skin. Shell stitches are often used at hems and sleeves to add delicate decoration without discomfort. Light lace patterns may be included, but always with careful spacing to ensure safety and comfort. Every stitch is tested for softness, ensuring the baby feels relaxed and free. Handmade details are what truly elevate crochet baby girl frocks. Small elements like crocheted buttons, soft tie backs, and adjustable straps are thoughtfully added. These details are designed not only for beauty, but for practicality. Back button closures lie flat to avoid pressing against the baby's skin. Ties are made with smooth chains that do not scratch or irritate. Necklines are carefully shaped to sit comfortably without slipping or tightening. Armholes are finished smoothly to prevent rubbing. These thoughtful details reflect the love and patience behind handmade baby clothing. Modern crochet baby girl frocks are designed for everyday life as well as special moments. Everyday crochet baby frocks focus on simplicity, durability, and ease of care. These dresses are lightweight, washable, and comfortable enough for daily wear. Parents appreciate designs that combine beauty with practicality. Everyday crochet baby frocks often feature minimal embellishments and relaxed fits. They are easy to dress, easy to clean, and easy to style. Babies feel comfortable and parents feel confident in their choice. Special occasion crochet baby frocks remain deeply cherished. For celebrations such as naming ceremonies, birthdays, and family gatherings, crochet offers unmatched charm. These dresses may feature layered skirts, delicate lace, or subtle decorative elements. Soft cotton linings are sometimes added for extra comfort and structure. These special dresses often become keepsakes, saved carefully and passed down through families. They carry emotional value that grows with time. Vintage-inspired crochet baby frocks continue to influence modern designs. Classic patterns from the past are reimagined with lighter yarns and simplified finishes. Scalloped hems, puffed sleeves, and traditional lace motifs add nostalgic charm while maintaining comfort. These vintage styles are especially popular for newborn photography and heirloom collections. They capture timeless beauty and celebrate tradition. Growth-friendly design is another important trend. Babies grow quickly, and modern crochet baby frocks are created with this in mind. Adjustable straps, flexible waistlines, and relaxed fits allow the dress to be worn longer. This approach makes crochet baby clothing more sustainable and practical. Crochet baby girl frocks are often chosen as gifts because of their emotional significance. A handmade dress is more than a present. It represents time, effort, and affection. Baby showers and newborn visits are made more meaningful with crochet gifts that carry personal care. These gifts often become treasured items, remembered long after they are worn. Crochet baby clothing also teaches families the value of handmade craftsmanship. It reminds us that beautiful things take time and patience. Choosing handmade items encourages appreciation for creativity and tradition. Sustainability is a growing focus in baby fashion, and crochet fits naturally into this movement. Handmade production reduces waste and reliance on mass manufacturing. Natural fibers and long-lasting designs support a healthier environment. Crochet baby girl frocks are often passed down between siblings or relatives, extending their life and meaning. Every wear adds to their story. Styling crochet baby frocks is kept simple. Soft headbands, gentle booties, or light cardigans complement the dress without overwhelming it. The crochet work remains the focus, allowing the handmade beauty to shine. Crochet baby girl frocks will always hold a special place in our hearts. They represent care, patience, and love in their purest form. They are worn